almost time for the bell. How many options will you sell? Fire up your platform, get ready to enter. But first, let's get the mindset centered. Hey, hey, let's go. We're not here to gamble, we're here to trade. We follow the plan, that's how we get paid. Testing, trading, have success. Find what works for you and forget the rest. Stats and probabilities is what we're about. Time to dismiss greed and doubt. Focus on the process, not the money. And the profits will flow like honey. Power Hour Live, let's start the show. Come on, trade hackers, get ready to go. 0-day options, time to make bank. Get locked and loaded, then be ready to plank. Hey!
Hey everyone, welcome to Power Hour Live Tuesday, January 14th. S&P up 12, NASDAQ up 16. Russell, the strongest of the bunch, is up 23. Dow's up almost 200 points. Gold and silver are both up a little bit, around 0.5%. Notes and bonds pretty flat. 10-year yield a little bit red. Oil down 1.5%. Natty gas up 1. Soybeans finished red, wheat green, corn red, euro and the pound green, Bitcoin up about 3.5%. VIX down a little over 2.5%, sitting at 18.68. I did 2 price action iron condors today. This one I have not booked profits on, and now I'm needing a bounce. My other one, I've just got 2 contracts left, and it's doing well. I actually rolled the puts up on my remaining 2 here and getting some additional decay on those. So that one's doing good. I did a Rick earlier and I'm about to close out. It's coming back into the valley. So I booked some profits on 3 of 5. Give me just a minute here. I'm going to go ahead and close the rest of these. Well, I'll give it a minute. And then I did a second discretionary Rick, and it's just pushed into the profits now with this little move down. I'll probably take some profits here if we push down to yesterday's high. BIX had a double stop on my 1035 tranche, and then some other one-sided stops. So most likely going to be a little bit red on BIX. We'll see what happens. I did a discretionary 1 DTE after we had that big vol spike on the flush down, but the move up was too much. It'd actually be in the profit now, but I went ahead and closed it. Took a small loss on that. And then calendars. I'll be closing these by the end of the day. My 6-7 is up 16%, 1-3 is up 5, and my 1-2 is basically even. Let's see. Did I do anything else here? Oh yeah. NDX. I did a VRR, and it was looking around max profitish area. Now with this pullback, still up about 900, but I liked it better about 10 minutes ago. That's it for me. Chad, how's your day?
Yeah, it was going good until I just got stopped on my I had a full stop here on this unfortunate push down. Had some really nice consolidation here over the last 45, 50 minutes, and now it's just straight down. But I had a full stop AM1. A light day of trading just because the price action has not been good. Not much consolidation at all. A lunchtime number 1, I booked 20% and I got stopped, so scratch trade. So jumped back in what I thought would be a pretty good play. Let's see, I got in at 123. So that would have been, yeah, I mean, good 30 minutes of consolidation. and just got stopped out on this. Oh, I don't know, whatever this is. 15, 20 point move in the last 10 minutes. I also put on a Wooga that needs a massive bounce now as well. So 3 TLC trades, 2 full stops, 1 scratch, and 1 Wooga that needs a bounce. So much different than yesterday.
So my Rick number 2, I think let me see here. I had an order in that just hit something. Yeah, closed 2 of them at $9. Sorry, just trying to get those posted. All right, so I've got one of these left. See if this thing's going to keep going down. And then my other price action iron Condor. Let's see, I rolled that to the 58.25 puts. $865. All right, so that one just went into the red. I do have a straggler left in Tesla. I took a Tesla trade, booked some profits on 2 of 3 there. That one I got to get rid of. Tesla's falling apart. Wow. Tesla is dropping like a rock. So is Microsoft. So are a lot of things.
Yeah, pretty tough price action today. Maybe the quickest Wooga that got off-centered I've ever traded.
Well, my NDX was looking beautiful 15 minutes ago. Let's see, I've got some long puts here.
Yeah, my long puts might save me on this drop.
My one DTE from yesterday looks like it's going to hit minimum profit of plus 465. That was a downside vertical. Although the way this thing's going, never know. It's got a ways to go for that though.
Yeah, I wasn't buying into this bounce because some of the big boys I posted it. No, I didn't post it. I was going to. Right. Some of the big boys like Nvidia and Meta, they really weren't participating in the bounce and were significantly in the red throughout the day.
Nvidia back to lows of day. So, same with Microsoft.
Yep.
Same with Google. Same with Tesla.
Let's go. Puts are worth 380.
I'm going to close 4 of these 7 puts for $1.15. Well, they filled it $1.35. NDX now back below its expected move line. Moel, did you forget to check your positions and updates channel again? Wow, 4-19. Every morning, my friend. Every morning I put exactly what I'm trading. SPX approaching its lower expected move. No, I'm not doing a 2-3. I just did the 1-2 and the 1-3, and I'm closing those out before the end of the day for CPI tomorrow. PPI was today. CPI is tomorrow. VIX back up to 19.26.
Oh yeah, keep going.
Wowzers. All right, I
Got out of half my puts for 710. 5 left. So my lunchtime number 2 just turned into a green trade. Come down another 30 points.
All right, I've got 5 puts left. What let's see. I don't have my financial juice up. What's going on here? Israel and Hamas agree in principle to a hostage and ceasefire. That doesn't seem like the market should be falling on that news. Oh, that was earlier. Well, whatever. I guess I should probably just close my calendars. My 6-7, my 1-3, and my 1-2 just went green. My 6-7 lost a little bit on this move.
I am now green for the day. Unreal. Let's see, what were these puts? I bought on my lunchtime number one, my puts were 35 cents. I sold half at 7.10 and closed the rest at 10.10.
I guess I better check my BIX puts here. 57.95.
Yeah, it may come down more, but oh well.
Let's get bloody. You need through lows of day at least. NASDAQ's through lows of day. Oh man, am I gonna have to manage this VRR that I was almost at max profit? Holy moly. So if it stays above 2,600, I'll still book minimum profit, but only 37 points away in NDX now. Yeah, still holding one lot on a Rick. Microsoft really falling apart. Microsoft through yesterday's lows. MSTR was really squeezing. It's coming down. Robinhood, that was kind of the leader on the board today. Almost got up to new all-time highs before this little sell-off. Still up over 6%. It was up over 10. This little bounce back up to the expected move.
Yeah, that's it for me for TLC.
I think we go lower. I'm going to buy a couple puts here. Just bounce right back up to the expected move. See if we can make a flush through lows of day. Or is this where we decide to chop?
Wooga needs a 30-point bounce. Only a $920 loss.
Get in about a 25 wide here, Chad.
That's crazy. But I'm glad I got in my lunchtime number 2. $10.10. That's quite a. I can't really remember. It's been a long time since I've gotten out of longs for that.
Is that all you got, SPX? Is that all you got? I think you got more. Let's see what you got. Russell's still green by 0.5%. Dow is still unchanged. A little bit green. We got a Fed speaker that started speaking at, well, looks like the sell-off started before that.
It would not surprise me to see highs of day.
None of the other markets are really moving that much. I mean, Bitcoin came down, but gold, oil, they're all fairly stable. Tesla's still coming down. Microsoft's still coming down. Coinbase dipping into the red now. Wow, Robinhood's down 5% from its highs. It was up 10%. Now it's only up 5. Hood just keeps trying to go for that all-time high, but it made an attempt last week. Didn't quite get there before falling. Today didn't quite get there before retracing. SPX trying to push back up above its expected move line. See if SPX stays below here. I may add a few more puts. Hey, Ravi, so you're posting on the Zoom chat. Yeah, we are all comments come to the 0 DTE chat channel in Discord. But the answer is yes, I am sharing my screen. You should be able to see it. Getting a little bounce. Chad, you got any puts left?
No, I got out of mine. At I got out of half, and then got out of the other half on the last push down. And as it started getting closer to lows of day, I got out. So I thought it might bounce off lows of day.
Yeah, I want to see lows of day before I get out.
And also, I saw I was up almost $3,000 for the day. And so I was like, I couldn't close them fast enough. You know, it went from having 2 full stops, so probably down about $5,500 to being up almost $3,000. I mean, I couldn't get out
Just
fast
like
enough.
that.
Yeah, I couldn't close those puts out fast enough. It also, I didn't know it at the time. I do now because I recorded it on my spreadsheet, but it put me green for January on TLC. I think I was down. What was it? Let's see here.
More volume on that move than the entire overnight session. Wow.
I was down about 14,000. Yeah, it was about no, I take that back. Minus 11K going into yesterday. And with the big day yesterday and then this turnaround, I'm now plus $750 for January for TLC.
Nice.
Yeah. Wiped out 11K debt in 2 days. And knowing full well today was pretty lucky.
All right, one more flush. That's all I want. That would make my day. Oh yeah, better close out my. I'm gonna go ahead and close out my double calendars here. Dick K, how's the double calendars this week? Nice. You all out, or are you holding some through CPI? All right, just posted all my exits of my calendars. All right, SPX hanging out on the expected move. Very nice. Coinbase bouncing. MSTR, a little bounce. Bitcoin must be getting a little bouncy.
Yeah, rip back up and get my Wooga back in play.
What are your Wooga strikes?
They are
Shorts. What are the shorts?
58, 25s, 35s. No, wait. 25s. You're right. Yeah. 25s, 55s. No, they're not. That was yesterday. Never mind. Take it back. They are 50s and 60s.
Oh, you got a little ways to go.
Oh, they have a long ways to go.
Got about 34 minutes till the bell.
Got to travel to the Lee Summit this evening to wrestling.
Old Lee Summit.
Tonganoxie tomorrow.
Well, NDX is holding up for my VRR. In addition to CPI, we got a bunch of bank earnings tomorrow morning. Goldman, JP Morgan, Wells Fargo. I assume Bank of America. Bank of America is Thursday before the market. Meta down 3%. Boeing down 2. NVIDIA down 2.
Yeah, tech stocks have had a rough go at it in 2025 so far.
Yeah, NVIDIA, that was the day of their little 3-day conference. It had a lot of hype around it. Opened up, ticked a new all-time high, and has been down ever since, basically. Netflix struggling. Well, I guess we're not getting that one more flush I was hoping for. We'll give it a few more minutes. I smell a wager. From 58.25, I'm going to say lower. What do you think, Dick K? All right, it's on. 58.25 is the line in the sand. Dick K is playing for VWAP. I'm playing for my crystal ball. Where's VWAP? 80 on ES, so that's about 18 points higher. So that'd be about, yeah, 41 on SPX, all right? Yeah, no chance VWAP plays today. Wow, look at Robinhood. Giving it all back. Robinhood all the way back down to where it opened. Had a big gap up, but given the intraday gains all up. Ten-year yield just continues to climb up to 4.789. Hit that high of over 5 back in October of 23. Still 15 wide, Chad, if you want in.
Oh no, I already told you I'm green for January now, so
You could be greener.
not with this
Just
price
think about
action.
how much greener you could be.
Man, that the difference in price action between yesterday and today is just vastly different.
$20 and $25 butterfly. They're only trading for about 70 cents or so. I was hoping for a real scare the children type of flush going into CPI. Tesla still coming down a bit. Still hanging around 25, Dick K.
The Robinhood CEO was just on Fox Business giving a crypto update.
Vlad.
Yeah, I couldn't get it unmuted in time. I missed it.
So in addition to CPI, I mentioned the bank earnings. We've also got a bunch of Fed speakers barking right before the market opens. Kashkari 30 minutes after the market opens. Williams at 10 a.m. Goolsby at 11 a.m. Central. Beige Book at 1 p.m. Lovely. You're going to DC, Dick? Is that where it is? I assume. Nice. I'll be watching for you on TV. You gonna have like a sign or anything? Like like a college football game? Hold up like a big, I'll make you a navigation trading sign. MSTR coming down, coin coming down, Bitcoin rolling over a little bit. Tesla falling. Twenty minutes to go. SPX right on the expected move. NDX below its expected move. About 9 minutes till MOC. Tesla getting a little bounce. All right, still waiting for my one more flush. I did not offload all my puts. I'll have some 05s and 15s. Probably should have gotten rid of my 80s. They're only a nickel now. Well, selling premium at the expected move after that flush would have done well.
Yep, really nice consolidation. I was just thinking the same thing.
Still getting 5 wide, Chad.
No. You got to know when to hold them and know when to fold them.
I'm just going to hold mine through MOC, see what happens.
Nice mile.
$25 butterfly is trading for right around a dollar, maybe. And we're back above 25. I can feel the excitement in DTE right now. MOC in 4 minutes.
$50 billion buy side.
I haven't ever noticed the correlation between a big move early and then a bigger buy or sell number. In fact, really the only correlation I've found is the last day of the month. It's typically a big number. A little over 2 minutes till MOC. SPX bouncing up to 30. Heading for VWAP. Microsoft getting a little bounce. MOC incoming here in about 10 seconds.
Balance the S&P 500 buy side of 87 million. Nasdaq
87 million buy side. Financial Juice has some issues with that MOC thing. It printed it about 12 times. SPX up to 34. Damn it, Dick K. Got me again. Taking my Rick at a max profit. I need to stay below 35. Although it's helping my NDX. Looks like it'll be a minimum profit. 38. Getting back to yesterday's high. SPX
going.
back in the green.
Keep going.
Chad, you still holding out for 50, 60?
Yeah, man. Why not? There's no way. If it does. It's still a monster move. 8 minutes.
I don't have any strikes available to do the Mahomes. Not sure I'd get filled anyway. $35's trading for about $1.30. Go. 10-point drop. A big bounce in Microsoft. What do you guys think about the banks tomorrow? A lot of them have just pulled back just under all-time highs.
Upstream export price year-on-year price 7%. Southstream import price year-on-year price 3%.
Well, 2.5 wide strikes. I can't really get a broken wing fly in JP Morgan.
Looks like it wants to finish around yesterday's high.
Let's see, Goldman's got about a 20-point expected move. All right. Little broken wing upside flying Goldman. Thick case bragging about his VWAP. We got there. We sure did. Two and a half minutes to go. My Rick gonna push into the valley? It's getting close. We need a VWAP rejection. VIX back below 19.
Yeah, it likes yesterday's high.
You in the 40 fly, Moel? Nice. I didn't have any strikes available. Big bounce out of Microsoft, big bounce out of, or decent bounce out of Meta. No bounce out of Tesla. Tesla's kind of rolling back over again. Less than a minute. Up to 40. Uh-oh. 42. Oh my gosh. Is this really going to put my Rick in the valley?
Get to 50. Not going to get there. Shucks.
Looks like my remaining Rick is going to finish at right at break even. 5842.86. Congratulations, Dick K. Your VWAP won again. I guess I got to start using VWAP. It's pretty much a guarantee. All right, all that is a wrap. Chad will be streaming live at the market open. CPI pre-market, banks pre-market. Look forward to tomorrow. Everybody have a good night. Take care. Cheers.